Bonjour les amis, welcome. Today we are completely skipping the boring grammar books. Instead, we're going to use a really cool interactive method that gets you building and actually speaking French sentences from minute one. It's all about doing, not just memorizing. So let's jump right in. So let me ask you straight up, do you want to speak French? I'm guessing if you're here, the answer is a big yes, and you are in exactly the right place to start. The whole idea here is immediate action. We're going to start putting sentences together from the ground up right now. No waiting around, we're just going to start speaking. Now, to get the most out of this, you just need to do three simple things. First, just relax. No stress. Second, be positive. And this is the most important part. You have to answer out loud. Seriously, actually say the words. And third, take your time. You can always hit pause if you need a moment. Ready? Let's do this. All right, let's get to it. It is time to build our very first French sentence. We're going to start with a really simple but very powerful word. And that word is possible. Now in French, it sounds almost exactly the same. Listen, possible. Go on, give it a try. Say it out loud with me. Possible. Perfect. Okay, next up is a core building block. You're going to use this all the time. To say it is or that is, in French we say c'est. You try it. C'est. It's a simple little sound, but it's the glue for so many sentences. So you've got the two pieces of the puzzle right there. How would you put them together to say, it is possible? Take a second, think about it. Yes, excellent. C'est possible. See how they just click together so nicely? Let's say it again just to lock it in. Ready? C'est possible. That is a fantastic start. Let's keep moving and see how we can build on this. Now that you've got that basic structure down, we're going to start making our sentences a little more personal, a little more descriptive. Okay, here's how you say for me. It's pour moi. You can hear the two parts, right? Pour and moi. Together, pour moi. Say it with me now. Pour moi. Our next word is easy. In French, it's facile. Hear that? Facile. Go ahead, you give it a try. Facile. Perfect pronunciation. All right, time to combine again. Using that same structure we've already learned, how would you say it is easy? You know how to do this. You got it. C'est facile. Perfect. You're starting to see the pattern, right? It's really logical. Let's say it one more time out loud just to build that muscle memory. C'est facile. So what if something isn't just easy, but very easy? Well, for that, we use the word très. Listen to that sound. Très. Your turn. Très. Okay, here we go. This is the big one. Let's try and put all of our little building blocks together. Take your time. How would you say, it is very easy for me? And there you have it. C'est très facile pour moi. I mean, just stop and think about what you just did. You built a complete, descriptive, useful sentence from a few simple parts. That is incredible. Let's say it with some real confidence now. C'est très facile pour moi. Bravo! You are doing some excellent work. Now, I'm going to show you a simple little trick that will instantly, literally double the number of things you can say. We're going to learn how to make things negative. Okay, so we know c'est facile means it is easy. To say it's not easy, we just wrap the phrase in ne and pas. So it becomes ce n'est pas facile. The formula is just ce n'est pas, and then you add your word. Let's practice that negative part. Say it with me. Ce n'est pas. Let's test out this new superpower. You already know the word for possible, so how would you use our new negative formula to say it is not possible? Exactly right. Ce n'est pas possible. You just apply that same pattern. See, it's predictable, and that's what makes this method so powerful. Let's say it together one more time. Ce n'est pas possible. Okay, let's just take a quick pause here and look back at what you've accomplished. I mean, it's only been a few minutes, but you can already say so much. You've built a really solid foundation. This is your French toolkit now. Just look at this list of phrases you can say with total confidence. You can say, c'est possible, c'est facile, c'est pour moi. You can even say that great long sentence, c'est très facile pour moi. And now you've doubled your power with the negative. Ce n'est pas possible, ce n'est pas facile, ce n'est pas pour moi. That is a huge accomplishment for one session. You know, Mark Twain once said, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. And that is exactly what you did today. You didn't just study some French, you actually got started speaking it. So you've built your first 8 sentences in French today. That's not just a list of words, that's a real foundation you can build on. So the only question left is, what are you going to build tomorrow? Thanks for joining me.